So, hello and welcome to a new challenge. This time XLBI's Excel Challenge 514. So quite a new one. I've downloaded this case before. So let's take a look. We should find the 2x2 grid where the sum is the maximum. So here our sum is 92. No, our sum is 213, and here our sum is also 213. Yes, so okay. So for this challenge, I will use offset. This is our reference. Then we will not do any offsetting, but height of 2 and a width of 2. And this hands out this square here with this as a reference. And therefore, I then take the whole square, let's name it A, hands it over to the offset function, and then to do two things. So first I map this here in lambda A. And I will have something like a sum function, and this should give here for every starting position the maximum or the sum then. And so I will S for sum, and then I copy this map function, and instead of sum I use something like TEXTJOIN. Oh, he wants it that way. Why? Never mind. TEXTJOIN, I need to try something out. So this will join everything together with a comma delimiter. That's bad. So I need to try something else. Something like BYROW lambda A TEXTJOIN with a comma as a delimiter, and then TEXTJOIN with a semicolon as a delimiter. Yeah, this will do me the favor. And so I make this here. This is like I told you, S, and this is C for concatenate. And now I TEXTJOIN A. Oh, sorry. Oh, this will get long. Map A, lambda A, and then BYROW of set A 2. I think this should work. There's something missing. Yeah. Oh, this works. So here, for example, this one is as it should be. And now I make a filter function of this as a column, so like the concatenated thing as a column, if the column, if also the sum in a column equals to the maximum of those values, and there is a solution, and the solution is as it should be. So a little bit longer than expected because of the crazy concatenation. H. Now I need to pay attention to this because this text join needs to be with a semicolon. Now put it on LinkedIn and see what the others did. Why is there so much free space? Yeah, so basically a bit long. Yeah, oh, BYROW. Ah, that's cool from BYROW. But it's basically the same, so yeah. So what did we do here? We first we use the offset function. So like to hand out with this as a reference to hand out this whole area. Then we sum this up for every reference. So we have like a sum field for every of those values here. So every of those cells as a starting point. So like this will sum up this array, this will sum up this array, this will sum up this array if this is the reference. And then we also did the same but concatenated it like that way. So like first row wide with a comma as a delimiter, and then we concatenated both rows with a semicolon as a delimiter. Then we made everything a single column, so this whole field, then with the sums and the concatenation to a single column, and we filtered those columns then if they're equal to the maximum, so 213. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.